Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 4.3. Find the values of x if the area of the triangle with the vertices x, 4, 2, minus 6 and 5, 4 is 35 square units. First, let's write out this in the form of a formula. So, area of the triangle is half into determinant of these vertices in the style x, 4 and 1, 2, minus 6 and 1, 5, 4 and 1. So they gave that this area is going to be equal to 35 square units. This means I'm going to take the 2 the other side. So determinant of x, 4, 1, 2 minus 6, 1, 5, 4, 1 is equal to 70. Remember, in the case of the formula, they said that the mod of this value is going to be the value of the area. So first we will take that the determinant's value is positive. So case 1, I'm going to do in this case, it is going to be naturally the modulus of this is going to be positive. So first let's compute the determinant value. So this is x into minus 6 minus 4 minus 4 into 2 minus 5 plus 1 into 8 plus 30. Minus of minus 30 is plus 30. So let's first compute this. So minus 10x, this is minus 3 into minus 4, so that is plus 12, and this is plus 38 is equal to 70. So minus 10x, and this is going to be 38 plus 2 is 40, so this is 50 is equal to 70. So minus 10x is equal to 20. In this case, x is going to be equal to minus 2. This is the first case wherein I treat this value as going to be positive values. Now let's take up the case where the value is negative, which means in this case I will say minus 10x plus 50 is going to be equal to minus 70. So minus 10x is going to be equal to minus 120. So x is equal to 12. So there are two possible values that x can take. One is 12, the other value is minus 2. In both the cases, the square area of this particular triangle that will be formed will be equal to 35 square units. In the next video, we will find the solution for the questions in exercise 4.4. See you in the next video. Bye.